Hi, I'm Sallyha and I'm going to show you how to apply Eylure's DyBrow. DyBrow is an easy at-home brow tinting product. It takes about 15 minutes to apply and lasts up to 6 weeks. There's about 12 uses inside this and comes in black and dark brown. Today I'm going to be using Eylure's DyBrow product in black. So let's get started. Before you start, it's important that you do a patch test first of the colour cream and activator. You must do this 48 to 72 hours before you intend to dye your brows. Do not use DyBrow if you have an allergic reaction. To do a patch test, mix 1 cm of colour cream with 3 drops of activating solution. Then apply a small amount to your skin. We recommend behind your ear or on your wrist and wait at least 48 hours. Once you're sure you can use DyBrow safely, cleanse your eyebrows to remove makeup and natural oils and dry thoroughly. Prepare your brow and use a barrier cream like petroleum jelly. Next, squeeze about 2 cm of colour cream into the mixing dish and make sure you replace the lid straight away. Open the activating solution away from your face and add 5 drops of activating solution into the mixing dish and mix well to form a creamy consistency that doesn't drip. Coat the brush applicator with the solution. Apply to brow using the mascara wand. If the cream touches your skin, wipe off immediately with a damp cotton pad. Leave the cream in your eyebrow for 5 to 10 minutes. When ready to remove, use a damp cotton pad soaked in water and gently remove the mixture from your eyebrow. Use upward strokes and make sure to avoid your eye. And that's it! If applied correctly, it can last up to 6 weeks. And make sure you clean your mixing trays so that you can use it again.